Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds to proceed. When you see this menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate through it to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key, and after that you will enter recovery mode. Using volume keys you can navigate through the recovery mode, and using power key you can select options. Here you have such options as Reboot System Now, Reboot to bootloader, Apply update from ADB, Apply update from SD card, Wipe data factory reset, Wipe cache partition, Mount system, View recovery logs, Run graphics test, Run local test, and Power off. If you want to exit recovery mode, just select the last option, Power off, if you want to turn your device off, or select the first option, Reboot System Now, to restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.